Hey everyone, Jeffrey here. In this mini video, I'm going to be taking cuttings from two different Coleus plants to water propagate. The first one is this beautiful one called Flamethrower. It's the perfect red in your garden or on your porch without being too in your face bright red. I like to take 6 to 8 inch cuttings, ensuring I have enough stem down in the water for roots to grow, so try to find a tall container. And the second one is this beautiful bronze, green, and magenta colored one that's actually my favorite for the year. It didn't come with the tag, so I'm not sure of its exact variety name. Place them in the water, and after 2 to 3 weeks you should have roots long enough to put in the dirt. Make sure to keep them moist a few days and water them frequently, as Coleus likes the water or they will wilt. Bright light in the shade is preferred. Happy planting, and thanks for watching.